The problem is to print numbers from 0 to 4 using a Python loop. The range function generates numbers starting from 0 up to but not including the given number. In the first iteration, the variable I is assigned the value 0 and printed. In the second iteration, I is updated to 1 and printed. In the third iteration, I becomes 2 and is printed. In the fourth iteration, I is 3 and is printed. In the fifth iteration, I is 4 and is printed. The loop ends after I reaches 4 because the range stops before 5. Here's a Python for loop using range 5. Range 5 generates the numbers 0 through 4. Each pass assigns the next number to I and prints it. The output grows one line at a time through the fifth iteration. After I equals 4, the loop ends.